Good afternoon, everyone. We're going to show you how to use this mobile Axon station from Lionswood. On the right side of this table, we have the Lionswood induction surface. It is a heated surface that gets warm, so you can put pizza, cookies, muffins, whatever you would like on here. It would keep it at a nice, warm serving temperature. The steam well. We have one of our induction units underneath that heats up the water, and it'll keep your food warm also. This table also has two cookers underneath the surface and a cold shelf that will frost over and keep your food iceable. Warming surface. You do not want to turn this thing all the way up. It'll get very hot. Turn the power on. It automatically goes to 200. You don't want to run it at 200. That's way too hot. You want to hit the function key and run it at 80. If that's not quite warm enough for what you need to put on the surface, you can hit the function again and arrow down to 100. All right, on the end of the table, we have our cold shelf. We have it set at 22 degrees right now. The manufacturer recommends not to go below that. You want to turn this on a couple hours beforehand to get it nice and cold. It does take a while to frost over. You can keep all your salad, all your cold food, shrimp, whatever you'd like to cook on here. You could also take one of your pans and put on it. It will keep the pan cold. This one here is our induction cooker. We have two of them. I want to show you the proper placement on how to use this. You want to turn it on, and you want to slide the pan or pot over the unit. It automatically starts at P3. The optimal temperature for cooking omelets is P4. You can cook shrimp and omelets at this setting. It'll also go all the way up to P6, which is 1100 watts. Our steam oil here, we like to run this at 200 watts. It keeps the food at a perfect temperature. Depending on what you have in there, you may want to move it up to 300 or even down to 100, depending on how much food is in here.